welcome to the presentation of WhatsApp KYC by SurePass. So this is the first time that we are launching our KYC on WhatsApp. Earlier people have launched it, but this is the first WhatsApp KYC that is RBI regulated and compliant as well. Now moving to who can use the WhatsApp KYC, how it can be implemented, what are the industries, I will take you through each and every page and take it from there. So first of all, why WhatsApp KYC? So as you can see the numbers on the left, we have 60% customer retention, 96% conversion rate, and obviously 100% secured onboarding. We provide integrations with all the CRMs, including the biggest one, HubSpot, Salesforce, AMO CRM, and we provide hassle-free verification for your end clients. We have the fast user onboarding and frictionless document authentication. All this combines with the low drop-off rates and maximized conversions, which in return increases your overall customer satisfaction and KYC rate. Now moving ahead, what all industries can use this? So obviously the food, delivery, ride-hailing, retail customers, airline industry, banks, NBFC, healthcare. Each and every industry that wants to verify their clients, that wants to verify their users, can ultimately use our APIs. And now coming to what does the WhatsApp KYC in all? What is the stack that we offer? The number one thing is automation. Currently 90% of the industry is doing the KYC manually. They are taking the documents, our sales agent is taking a document, our insurance company sales agent is taking the documents and then verifying them manually. And it takes a lot of hours of manual labor and a lot of people who keep doing this manually. And during that manual interaction between the salespeople and the end client, there is a lot of drop-offs. So we have seen more than 60% drop-offs during the KYC session when it is done manually. So during our WhatsApp KYC sessions with automation, it can be reduced by a lot. Then we have interactive buttons, menu list, and what's all? It's a plug and play. We can easily integrate this into your existing system in less than 24 hours. So your team doesn't need to rework the whole code. They can directly integrate this into your existing system and can use it. Now finally, moving to how it works. So I will be showing you few samples like how the WhatsApp KYC works with few IDs like Aadhaar, PAN, voter ID, driving license, etc. These are the few basic 4 APIs that we are showing here. But we are currently supporting more than 250 type of verifications directly here on WhatsApp. So first is like we have two journeys. A person can either upload the Aadhaar photo and then he can submit that OTP that is triggered to the registered mobile, which in turn will verify them, or the person can directly enter their Aadhaar number and then the OTP, which in turn will verify them. And all this data will be sent to your backend securely, 100% encrypted, end-to-end encryption, so you don't have to worry about the security of data breach, anything. Now moving to the next step, that is the PAN verification. In the PAN verification, again we provide two approaches. One is the OCR based plus verification and another is the direct. Here we do not require any OTP. You directly enter the PAN number, we will get it verified for you and then send the data back to you and to your customer as well. Moving ahead, we have the same for the voter ID as well. And finally for the DL as well. For DL we have directly tied up with Sarthi, the department. So all the data that we fetch is directly live from all the respective departments. There is no state databases, anything. So this is just the 4 APIs that we have integrated on the WhatsApp to show you. If you want to do a live test, if you want to verify these, please always feel free to connect our sales team. And at last, here are the contact details of our company. If anyone has any questions, feel free to reach out to us at contact@surepass.io or feel free to call us. That's all for the session. Thank you guys.